JIUHE moves flexibly to push mountains and seas, committed to improving the human living environment. Who is it? Determined to compete with height and constantly refresh the heights of high-altitude operations. It is the evolution of history and the progress of technology. It is a sense of mission that hardworking and wise JIUHE people have forged ahead for over a decade. JIUHE Group Chinese Quality Excellence. JIUHE Group was founded in 2011. Mainly engaged in the research and development and manufacturing of concrete pumping machinery, ladder lift trucks, and high-altitude work vehicles. Since its establishment, it has taken creating a world-class Chinese brand for the nation as its responsibility, and has created the well-known JIUHE Heavy Industry brand in the industry. Since its establishment, JIUHE Group has been committed to the path of independent innovation. Under the guidance of the enterprise philosophy of technology-driven product innovation, JIUHE people, who are constantly exploring and advancing, attach great importance to technological research and development and talent cultivation. After years of hard work, JIUHE Group has a strong R&D team and has won multiple honors such as the Shandong Provincial Enterprise Technology Center. It has applied for more than 200 patents. Advanced manufacturing with resounding steps. From being unknown to a leading enterprise in intelligent manufacture in China 2025. From made in China to intelligent manufacturing in China. JIUHE Group has relied on more than 30 years of experience in mechanical equipment production, innovative ability, and manufacturing strength to continuously climb. Concrete pump truck. JIUHE Group utilizes its strong technological advantages and research capabilities to expand and upgrade its products, and has successfully developed concrete pump trucks ranging from 17 meters to 80 meters. At present, JIUHE has become one of the few domestic mass production of 70-meter pump trucks, setting a new height of Qingdao's automotive products. The 80 meters concrete pump truck latest research and development is expected to be launched in the half of 2024. At that time, it will become the highest licensed concrete pump truck in China, surpassing foreign concrete pump truck technology. Ladder lift truck. As a leading manufacturer of ladder lift trucks in the industry, JIUHE ladder lift truck products have achieved full coverage of ladder lift trucks ranging from 28 meters to 70 meters. It is the first enterprise in China to comprehensively master the relevant technology of ladder lift truck and participated in the drafting and formulation of the ladder lift truck production process specification. It is the first industry standard on production process specification in the industry. Aerial work platform. JIUHE has multiple specifications of aerial work platform ranging from 12 meters to 75 meters. Among them, JIUHE has independently developed the first domestic 38-meter and 45-meter aerial work platform, breaking through the technological monopoly of foreign high-altitude work vehicles and replacing import with domestic production. Forge and forge ahead. Gather momentum and be ready to go. In recent years, the Belt and Road has opened up new space for world economic growth and built a new platform for international trade and investment. JIUHE Group has actively participated in the construction of the Belt and Road with excellent quality. Our products have been exported to more than 60 countries and regions, helping Chinese brands go to global world. In the future, with the development of the global economy, JIUHE Group's products will not only be spread throughout China, but also exported to the world. JIUHE Group is advancing to the world with the quality and speed of Chinese intelligent manufacturing, showcasing the excellence of Chinese intelligent manufacturing to the world, and creating a world-class Chinese brand for the nation. JIUHE Group, Chinese quality excellence.